Hello. My name is Paul Gibson. I'm one of the co-founders of the Academy of Trading and Investing. Have you ever been to our website in your searches for great information on investing in the stock market? Our philosophy is not to tell you what to invest in, but to help you learn how to find and analyze your own trades. We don't give you advice or suggestions for stock picks or any secret inside information. We don't charge much for what we offer. We want to help you to learn how to invest in the stock market. We have many tools available for free. And if you want help, well, that's available too. We will teach you, and then we will shadow you to help you learn what you need to know to trade in the stock market. In other words, first we will help you do virtual trades or pretend to trade based on real stocks. Then when you feel confident and competent, you can then do real trades. We will be available to talk to you about your choices and strategies so that you have covered all your bases. We will not say yes or no to your trades. But we will ask the hard questions and make sure that you have been thorough enough and that your conclusions are based on sound investing science and research. It doesn't take most people months and months to learn. Many pick up the ideas in a few days or weeks and then begin to trade successfully. Now let's take a look at what's on the website. Be aware of that more tools, videos, and resources are being added as they are developed. So, check back from time to time to see what's new. Here we see the home page. We challenge you to get started here. After all, what are you waiting for? The sooner you get involved, the sooner you will be taking control and making more income for yourself and your family. Now, scroll down. We'll find a section where you can enroll for free. And of course, on the right-hand side, you'll see a little bit of a market take. See an analysis of a SPY, which is an exchange-traded fund or an ETF based on the S&P index. It's kind of good to see the greater market insight of what's happening today. We scroll down once again, and we see the products and tools available to you. Take a quick look here and see if there's something that would be interesting to you to get involved in. I'm scrolling down once again. You see some more services available and products. I would highly recommend that you get involved in reading Notes from a Profitable Investor. This book will give you all the background you need as a new investor to take advantage of the stock market. It's a great book. It's very comprehensive. It talks about all kinds of fundamental analysis and technical analysis ideas, option basics, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and all the things you need to know for you to be successful in the stock market. And there's some examples trading plans there as well to help you develop the rules you will need to know to be successful market. Scrolling down a little bit further, we see a section for feedback. It might be fun for you to take a look there to see what others have said. We challenge you to take this next step. You're welcome to schedule a call with us. Or, send us an email. Let's schedule a 30-minute coaching call to see where you are and what you need. We don't know if we can help you. It is important for us to do an assessment so that we can understand what it is you need. Once again, going down a little bit further, you'll see the contact page. Now, going back up to the top, we see that we can go to the About tab. We explain why it's important to work with us and why it is important to you. And, scrolling down a little bit further, we see in glorious color the people you may be working with. All of us have extensive experience in helping other people over the last 20 years. We have helped literally thousands of times through webinars and one-on-one coaching sessions. We'll be glad to help you too, if you'd like. A little bit of information about each one of us is in the My Bio section. And then scrolling down a little bit further, once again there is a place to contact us. When we go back up to the top, you'll see some free tools. And here's what you'll get when you enroll in the website. For free. Trading log and calculator. We'll give you a template to create your own trading plan. We'll give you some ideas of correct trading rules. We'll give you some blue chip stock watch lists to look at. We'll take a look at candlestick patterns to teach you how to analyze the stock charts. We have a glossary of trading terms. And just for enrolling, we'll send you an ebook on how to trade in options, which is a subsection of the book, Notes from a Profitable Investor, that I think that'll be very helpful to you. So, take a look at those. Going back up to the top again. We're going to go to resources. And in resources we see that we have an article library. There are many articles we've collected over many years, giving us insights and background into how the market works and philosophies of successful investors. Take a look at some of these. I think they can be very helpful. The list goes all the way through from philosophy, through fundamental analysis, short-term and long-term investing, investing in mutual funds, option trading, and many more topics. Moving down the list a little bit. We now see that we can look at the economic forecast and calendar. This information can give you some advance notice as to what's happening with specific companies, finding good news about a company or bad news to their earnings announcements or dividend issues that can change the stock price significantly. This information could be interesting to us for a short-term or even long-term trade. We also have a stock screener there that lists stocks by their ticker symbol that allows us to see what is moving today in the market. We get buy signals, strong buy, hold, or sell signals from the analysts of this particular company. We also see scrolling down that we have options trading results. This is real-time information written up by David Miles, who is our great options trader, that is available in PDF format. There are several here. So, take a look at those. He's given us some examples of his trading methods and what might be successful for you. We also have webinars that are available and will be available to you of how to trade in the stock market. We also have 18 videos explaining how to do fundamental and technical analysis. There are other videos that will help you learn how to invest in the stock market. If you just look at these and internalize the context here, you may not need our help. You may become a successful trader just by using this information alone. As we scroll down, we'll also find a link that will take you to amarketwatch.com, which gives us a market overview about what's happening today in the markets. It's a great link and a great resource. We also give you a candlestick cheat sheet, which explains pretty quickly how to read the candlestick patterns so you can diagnose and predict where the stock price may be going. We take you back to MarketWatch again for upgrades and downgrades of stocks. As you know, an upgrade will give an investor an idea of that there may be money to be made here by buying the stock, or what we do call going long on this stock, buying a call or selling a put. Or a downgrade would give us just the opposite information. This might be a great time to sell short the stock, to buy a put or sell a call. This information would be very helpful to traders. And then we also have a link to Morningstar.com. Morningstar is one of the most respected resources in the industry for background information on companies. They've already done the research. You don't have to. If you can read and want to take 5 or 6 minutes to read up on a company, you can probably know about as much as you would like to know about a company before you make a trade in that company. And of course, using this information combined with technical analysis. It not only tells you what to invest in, which is fundamental analysis, but when to invest, which is technical analysis. All this is available on our website. Going over to members section once again, there's a place here where you can enroll and where you can log in to connect with other members. So, back at the top, we also have a little ticker list of stocks that are moving today. We want you to take responsibility for your own learning. Let's be serious here. You can rely on others to manage your financial life, your boss, your spouse, your broker, your fund manager, or anyone else that you may choose. If you do, it's morally okay. But you will end up where they want you to be, which may not be where you want to be. If you choose to make it happen and take responsibility to know what you are doing, and have a plan, not risking everything, but taking control of what you have, you'll be better off if you abide by correct principles. We'll help you understand what those principles are. Sincerely, at this point of interest, I have been following other investment educators on the web for a long time. And they appear on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media sites. They promise to give a quick tip or show you the easy way. I can tell you, there is not a quick, easy way. You know how to drive your car or you don't. You either know how to analyze a stock and make money or you don't. There was no perfect method. And even the so-called pros don't get it right all the time. I've been following one such very popular pro for many years. They have a success rate, literally, of less than 50% of their top picks. We have to understand that's the same rate of success as flipping a coin with their picks. They may say they have a dynamite opportunity today and you must get involved. Other investment advisors will say that they have the deal of the century. That you must act now and that some pending event will shape the course of the future, the course of your financial future. One such so-called guru just recently only wanted $2,000 to give the name of the ticker symbol of that stock that was going to change your life. He spent almost 30 minutes in what I call an infomercial explaining how things work, but without giving that tip. At the very end, of course he's asking for $2,000 to give that tip. I followed closely the description of the company he was talking about. Then I did some research. It was a specific type of company in a specific industry, so I was able to find stocks in that industry. I found 14 companies that fit his description and that I identified that were supposedly going to react in some way to his prediction. For most of those companies, the stock price did not move much at all. In fact, many went down. Some of them actually tanked pretty badly. What about his prediction from that particular piece of information from the filing he saw with the SEC? There was one company that actually moved up. And the price went up about $4 in 2 weeks, which is probably about a 5% return on that investment if you had bought the stock. Okay, but not earth-shattering. What was this guru selling? He was selling curiosity. And for $2, he would give you a ticker symbol that probably would not have played out. No, I didn't buy the information. So, I don't know what that ticker symbol was. But I could do the research because I knew how to do the research. It didn't take that long. Let's not be like those who lost money. Let's get savvy. This investing thing is not rocket science. There's a straightforward, logical approach. And there's an easily acquired skill. The men that I work with are not geniuses, but merely determined individuals that years ago decided that they were going to learn how to take charge and take advantage of their own lives and make a difference. They continue to make profits and they want to share that knowledge with you. Their success rate is higher than the so-called gurus that I just mentioned. And they can help you, if you'd like. In fact, their success rate is above 90%. If nothing else, take advantage of the compilate articles and videos and the free coaching call. If you paid attention, you could teach yourself to trade merely by focusing on practicing the principles presented. At least do that. What can you lose? It's more profitable on the one more Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, or Netflix movie. I like them too. But there must be a balance in life. I choose balance and the pursuit of greater abundance. What do you choose? Enroll now for great tools and services. Let us help you. We've already done the work of experience and education that you will need. You don't need to go it alone or start from scratch. Invest in yourself for your own benefit and that of your loved ones. This is not a time to procrastinate. Let's get involved. Academy of Trading and Investing.